variable. So it says for each of the distributions shown, describe the type of distribution, determine its center, and spread using the most appropriate measures. So first, we're going to start this one. We can see that is symmetrical. So if it's symmetrical, we use the mean and the standard deviation. Okay? Wonderful. So to do that, again, I'm going to use your CAS. So I'm going to change this into a frequency table. How do I'm going to do that? Look, what values do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If we go into our CAS, you can see here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Now the frequency is given by how high each one of these bars goes. So this one goes up to 1, this one goes up to 2, this one goes up to 5. So I have 1, 2, 5, then 8, 6, 4, 2. And I complete my data, okay? And now what do we do here? You already should know. Menu, statistics, stat calculations, one variable statistics. I have only one variable. Yes, the data that I'm going to call is called data. Now I do have a frequency. In this one is fric, and then I'm going to press enter. Okay, and here we go. So my average is going to be 4.3. Okay, so it's 4.3. But when we have number of TVs, can I have a 4.3 TV? No, it's 4, agree? And we were able to see that if we were just looking this, we could see that the center is this 4, agree? If we see our curve, that we can see that most of the data is here. Okay, now the standard deviation, we just go here down, 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 and it's this sigma here that we have. So it's 1.46. Fantastic. Now, this data, we can say that is positive skew. Okay, and because it's skew, so we call it positive. I think it's written like this, skew. Oh my goodness me, skewed. Okay, good. And because it's positive skewed, so we are going to use the median, which is the middle value, agree? And we're going to find the interquartile range. So to do that, I have already entered my data here. So I have called it data 2 and frequency 2. Let's look at the bottom ones, because again, I'm using these ones to know my how high it goes. Is that the frequency that it tells me. So my data goes from 1 to 9. I have 1 to 9. Now these ones are difficult to read, but I estimate that is 1/5 of this, that how high it's going. So as I'm saying that 6 is 1, 7 is 1, and 9 is 1. So when I calculate my median, so how do we do that? We go next to this value, and I'm going to go menu, 4 statistics data, 1 stats calculation, 1 variable. How many do I have? I have 1 list. What is my data? My data is called data 2. What is my frequency? My frequency is frequency 2. And I'm going to post it in D. That's fine. So this time I'm going to go down because I'm not going to use those ones that I had at the top. So my median is 2. And look, it makes sense. We can see that the center is here. And the interquartile range is going to be Q3. Take away Q1. And Q3 is 3. Q1 is 2. So 3 take away 2 is equal to 1. That's my interquartile I'm just going to check that I don't have any decimals there. All good. Fantastic. Now I want to see something. If I have used my mean, look, my mean is 2.647. 2.46. That makes no sense in number family, so I'm going to say that is rounded up is 3. So my mean, that is not, this is not correct. This is not the one that we're using. I just want to show you something here. So what happened is that my mean is here. It's affected by this data. It's being pulled by this data. So instead of being here where it should be, it's being pulled. That's why we use the median. Okay? Wonderful. So I hope you find this useful. We have one more video to go.